ukhozi alumthakathaka, abantu basokhozini abamthakathaka. UZanele udalo songenamkhenza, uhambile ngoba uNkulunkulu umbizi. Sonke asazi sohamba. So everyone know this. Akukho ukuthakathi noma okubi abenze kona ekhosini. Abantu basokhozini bonke, they have been good to her and very precious to her, and she spoke well of all of you. Just want to make that clear so that all of you know. Akathakathwa uhambe ngokuthi bekanalokho enikwaziyo ukushiya. It's not witchcraft. And lastly, ngamphulekela ngiyala ngasidela abanye babuzana bathi sasilanga ukuthi mina you shall live, you shall not die. Ngasho vele ngoba ngumuntu weBhayibheli. iBhayibheli lithi angisho angikhula ngithi you shall surely live, you shall not die. Ngasho vele ngathi you shall surely live, you shall not die. Wasunkulu uyamthatha. Ngabona ukuthatha ngase mina sengiyasho namhlanje sengiyatshela babusisiwe abafile bafele Nkosi. Babusisiwe abafile mawusalwa sithi you shall live, you shall not die. Wafa sithi babusisiwe abafile bafele Nkosi. Sinayo impendulo. We are not discouraged. Asimjabulanga uNkulunkulu. Remember this, angeke nisijabule isiphambano. Angeke nisijabule isiphambano. Ngabonga kakhulu. She transitioned to glory. I just want to say farewell. Rest my love, rest in eternal peace. I want to appreciate all her friends. You know yourselves, all her friends. Dr. Dinigo spent almost days and days in hospital. All her friends. And lastly, before I sit down, Kitty Spanwa, a good-hearted person, Nephisian, a beautiful soul. You are the most beautiful person, pure heart, pure spirit. Ulugulu uzokuqina. Mina nawe same. Mina nawe siyafana same. But the nice thing is that bahambile laba abazalana but we still have fun. See, Suman and all.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video. So you guys, Nandile husband shared a speech during her memorial service, which was held yesterday, you guys. Now her pastor husband told the audiences and he addressed the rumors that she was bewitched by her jealous co-workers from Ukhozi FM, and he says that she was not at all bewitched by anyone. She died naturally and was called by God. He says that Uzanele Mbokazi got diagnosed by lung cancer like it was reported on blogs and news outlets. He urges people to stop listening to fake news on those gossip blogs because his wife died naturally, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comments section. Of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video, and may God bless you all. Bye.